This is a very quick tutorial movie just to show you how to filter the data that you need out of the full Excel file. So there's a bunch of filters set up on this file that you can simply run, and they will allow you to see the same information that is on the web pages individually. So just bear in mind that on the website you've got the curriculum drop down, and that's what this drop down is here. So let's say that you want to have a look at software to do with composition and improvisation. The quick way to just filter out that software is to unclick the select all checkbox and then to check the composition and improvisation option. And once we do that, you will see that our 100 odd bits of software are now suddenly many fewer. And you can see just the software that you're interested in. Don't forget, if you want to then do a different kind of search, that you need to clear the filter. And the other categories that we have are here under main category and second category. So you can actually do searches that are more complex than the ones that we have on the website. If we click here on main category, then we can see we've got content, drilling. LMS isn't something that we show on the website, and it's not something we've really explored much here, but it's something we'll look at in the future. Making and performance. So let's just say I want to have a look at apps providing content, and click on that, and that's a really easy one to see. Massive filter that is applied. You can then, if you want to, go down and actually filter on the second category as well, although not a lot of point in doing that now because we can see what's there. Finally, the other thing that's probably really useful for you is if you are just wanting to quickly find some software that you know is in here somewhere, you can just use, obviously, Excel's search function. So just being able to go in here really quickly and say, maybe just type Muse for MuseScore, and immediately, in fact, look, there we go. There's a few different things. BMuse Ninja. So yeah, very quickly being able to move around these hundreds of cells of data, thousands of cells of data, using the search function might be quicker than getting around the website as well. So there you go. We will keep the downloadable Excel file available and updated as we update the website. So keep an eye on the website for information about when the last update happened, and please use our feedback forms to tell us if you think we've got anything wrong or if we need to look at any more software. We're really looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks now.